There's the crew for day 2, and away we go. Immediately on the fish too. Awesome.
Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, look at that.
There's Bo on a king salmon.
Get that on film. Yeah, let it run.
Sure. Get back round.
Get back round. You got it?
Step right into that corner.
He's on the back.
Oh yeah, he's gonna run. Let him run. Don't.
You're using 25-pound tests, so the fights are really fun.
No, let 'em
you
run.
really get to feel the fish fighting.
Those.
You know when the captain brings the net out, it's a king salmon.
Yeah!
Hey, look at that.
Woo!
It's the bear.
Yeah! It sure was. Nice.
Good
We
night.
are good.
Chairman, look at the king. There we go.
That's how it's done.
Beauty. Uncle Tone, we were catching those blacky rockfish too. It's Chris and Bo, me and Uncle Tone. It was a great day. The weather was good enough that we could head out to this island. It was about 22 miles offshore. So we made a run for the island, and they said they've only been able to fish that island once this year so far because of the weather. So as soon as we got there, just immediately started hooking up with different kinds of rockfish, the black cod. You're gonna see us catching a bunch of those right now. Just a beautiful scene out there. These are the blackies. Catch 25 of those a day. Good for fish tacos, fish and chips. Here's my first lean cod I ever caught. And you don't find those like that in California. That's an Alaskan big dog right there. Look at that.
Fuck yeah, that's Alex right there, everybody. Puts us on him.
Thanks to Captain
Look at
Alex
that.
for putting us on him.
Keep winding.
Keep winding, keep winding. You gotta keep going all the way till it gets to the
The
top.
net is out.
Long leader.
Another king salmon on the way.
Yeah!
Woo! There you go. Oh man, I'm in fourth place. Look at the size of that thing. Oh, definitely more
A
than
little
11.
excited.
Some other lean cods that we caught weren't as big as the other ones, but these were legal. We could keep them. You can only catch one per year per person. There's that net again. You know what that means.
Yeah.
There you go.
Tones on another one.
Tones on a king salmon.
Another king salmon.
Come on, Patone. Did you eat your Wheaties this morning?
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh, he's a big one.
It's a nice one too. Here we go, here we go.
Oh yeah. Got it. Come on, little buddy.
Got him.
Got him? Oh, yeah. 2 for 2.
Oh,
Oh, nice.
good job, Patone. Way to kill him. Way to kill him.
This is me on a halibut, I believe. We switched up the gear. It gave me a little heavier rod and reel.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
So I get down there, try to get a big halibut, and bam. guy's gonna have a headache in a second here.
Probably the halibut.
Take a nice nap in the icebox, buddy. We weren't able to keep this fish, but it was so beautiful. It's called a yellow eye. We got the heavier gear. Another big halibut, Chris. I've seen some people shoot the halibut. I've seen other ones, they stick a harpoon in it and tie a buoy to it and then come back later. This is the reason why, is because these things, you know, they're 3 times that big. You don't want that thing flopping on board.
Oh, move out of the way.
Oh, nice halibut.
Little guy.
Yeah.
One of them bigger.
Make sure.
It's a great day fishing, great weather.
Yeah.